How to add, edit, and delete levels or sub-levels. Simple. So let's see first how to add a level. Select the member. Click on the plus icon. A pop-up window will open to add a level. Check your department. Enter the first level name. If you want to add more levels, click on the plus icon again. Enter the second level. You can add more than one level if needed. Click on Save. Now click on the member again. You will see that the two levels have been added successfully. Now let's see how to add a sub-level. Select the parent level. Click on the plus icon. A pop-up will open to add a sub-level. Enter the sub-level name. If you want to add more than one sub-level, click the plus icon again. Click on Save. Your sub-levels will be added successfully. You can check them under the parent level. Now let's see how to edit a level or sub-level. Select the level or sub-level you want to edit. Click on the edit icon. Update the required details. Click on Save Changes. Level updated successfully. Let's see how to delete a level or sub-level. Select the level you want to delete. Click on the delete icon. Confirm the delete action. The level will be removed successfully. The same process applies for deleting a sub-level as well.